Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have the Walmart Fall Beauty Box. I've been sitting on this one for a couple days, but it's time to open it up and see what's inside now. Did y'all know that Walmart had beauty subscriptions? For a long time, I didn't, but they do have this one. It comes 4 times a year. I'm trying to get to the pricing. I think it's like $7. Yes, it's a seasonal beauty box. It's $6.98. You get a variety of sample products in it delivered to your door 4 times a year. If you want to try this, I do have a link below. It's not affiliate, referral, anything like that. It's just a pure link that goes to that. Now we're going to look inside and see what is in the Walmart beauty box. Hey, Fall. It says fall haul, actually. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. So in here, it's going to give me what I could have. And then on the back, it gives me some advertisements, of course. Let's see. Hello, gorgeous. It's time to spice up your self-care routine with our autumn ready picks. All under $20 each. We've rounded up our favorites to help your transition from the summer sizzle to the cooler temps. Ready to fall in love? Then, of course, it tells you where to shop. So, the first thing I'm seeing is a headband. They sent me a headband. So, this is a full-size item, which hardly ever happens. And it's a sweater headband with a cute little knot. This is adorable. I actually really like this. Let's this is a Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. Look, y'all. It's perfect for the way I wear my hair. Of course, I've got that little thing in, but hair accessories. It's a full-size product. It's anywhere from $3.88 to $5.88 per item. Keep your hair happy and your style on point with gorgeous accessories made for all hair types. Of course, the items will vary, but I think mine's cute. It doesn't match my outfit today, but this is adorable. I like that. I need to wear headbands more. So in most every box, you do get a liquid IV. I'm not mad at that. I actually like liquid IVs. I practically live off these things in the summer. This one is a Yuzu Pineapple. I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm excited about that. You just take a bottle of water, you pour this in there, you shake it up really good, and you have something that's actually going to hydrate you instead of drying you out. And it is an energy drink mix. Liquid IV Hydration Energy Multiplier. They call it Energy Multiplier. Yuzu Pineapple, the full size is $9.98 for 6 of them. Get hydrated faster and more effectively than by drinking water alone. This delicious no GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. Yes, I love this stuff, by the way. I can get them off Amazon, and I think I get a better price for them. I'll put a link below for them if you want to try that. So this is Ambi Even and Clear Facial Moisturizer with Sunscreen. Just because the summer's over doesn't mean you get to put the sunscreen away. You need to wear that stuff year-round, y'all. It's got SPF 30. This is the full-size product is $14.47. Give your skin the love it deserves. Hyaluronic acid, aloe, and cucumber extract help moisturize without clogging pores. Apply before sun exposure for protection and a natural glow. Very cool. They sent me lashes. I think this is the first time I've gotten lashes in their beauty box. This is the Luna Magic Faux Lashes Happy X. The full size of this, which this is the full size, is $7.62. You get a 2-pack made of 100% synthetic fibers to add volume and dimension to your eyes. Bring on the drama. Vegan and cruelty-free and gluten-free. Yeah, I don't know that I could wear those. They are pretty big. Of course, you would need some lash glue. My goodness. I'm not going to open them because I'm probably going to regret them. As you can see, I normally don't wear lashes, but interesting. So this tells about the liquidiv, and this is shampoo and conditioner from Suave. Y'all, I cheat. I like taking these to travel because, you know, it's an easy way to make sure you're not going to spill and you have your shampoo and conditioner. So this must be the extra surprise that they thought I would love. So this is the Suave Up the Volume Shampoo. Cleanse and volumize your workable hair with volume. Sulfate free. It's the shampoo and the conditioner. All right. And the last thing is Hempz. The Secrets in the Seed. Sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body moisturizer. Hydrate and refresh. The full size product of this is $19.48. Oh, that smells really, really good. Sweet pineapple and honey melon. Oh my goodness, that smells really, really good. Body moisturizer. Yeah. Some things you just got to put on immediately. I don't know, it could be a little overpowering for some. Once I got it out, it smelled a little stronger than when I was smelling it from the bottle. It reminds me of something. I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. I don't know. I like it though. It'll get used for sure. What did y'all think of Walmart's Fall Beauty Box? I got the lotion, the liquidiv, the sample of the moisturizer, the shampoo and conditioner, the full-size headband, and the lashes. I think that's a pretty good box for $7. I mean, you'd pay more than $7 for these two full-size products, for sure. And the rest is just samples, but I love samples. So comment below. Let me know what you think. Have you tried it? Do you want to try it? All that good stuff. Comment below. I'd love it if you also press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It is absolutely free and I really appreciate it. Please share with your friends, give a thumbs up, press that notification bell, and if you'd like to leave a tip to your creator, which is me and Miss Callie Cat over there are two ways to do that. You can either buy me a coffee, there's a link below for that, or you can use the super thanks, which is through YouTube. Thanks so very much. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.